Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, select the 3D shape, change the color of shape. Then select another sticker, change the background color. Adjust the shape of bird, change the background color, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button on. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.